Good morning. Now I am going to teach you about complications of insulin therapy. Introduction. Insulin is the most powerful agent used for patients with diabetes. Hence, it is the most powerful agent. It has its own side effects on patients. It plays a major role in carbohydrates, proteins, and fat metabolism. The goal of insulin therapy is to keep your blood sugar level within a target range. The normal range is between 80 to 110. Complications of insulin therapy. Hypoglycemia. The most common complication of insulin therapy is hypoglycemia. Symptoms of hypoglycemia appears when the glucose level is less than 50 milligrams per deciliter. Hypoglycemia has become more frequent for type 1 patients. Causes of hypoglycemia. Overdose of insulin. For example, if doctor is prescribed for 20 units, sometimes due to the hurry-burry situation of the nurse, she will give 30 units of insulin. Suddenly, the patient will go into hypoglycemic stage. Excessive physical exercise, delay in meal or missed meal. If food is not consumed, the carbohydrates level will be lower. On that, if we are giving insulin, the patient will go into hypoglycemic stage or unconscious stage. Symptoms of hypoglycemia: headache, blurry vision, increased heart rate, hunger, irritability, weakness or tiredness. Prevention of hypoglycemia. The diabetic patient should carry a packet of sugar or candy because they can experience sudden hypoglycemic symptoms. An identification diabetic card should be carried in the wallet. Tablets containing 3 grams of glucose are available. Dextrosol. A glycogen emergency kit should be given for every diabetic patient receiving insulin. As a nurse, we should check blood glucose level before giving insulin. Ensure correct timing of insulin dose with meals. Insulin lipodystrophy. Localized reaction occurs at the site of insulin injection. This occurs when pricking on the same site for a week or months. It is classified into two, lipoatrophy and lipohypertrophy. Atrophy means there is a decrease in the number of cells and hypertrophy means there is an increase in the number of cells. Lipoatrophy. Loss of subcutaneous fats and appear as slight dimpling of subcutaneous fat. In this, the patient will experience a dimpling on insulin site due to decrease of subcutaneous fat. Lipohypertrophy. Fibrofatty masses at the injection site. In this, the patient will experience a swelling on the insulin site due to increase of subcutaneous fat. Prevention. Do not use the same needle more than 4 times because it can cause more complication and pain. Change the site every day. Check the site before administration. 1 inch gap should be there from the last injection site. Nowadays, this type of insulin site mark sheet are used. In that, days and weeks are marked from Monday to Sunday. According to the order, we can give injection. Dawn phenomenon. It means insulin level is down. Early morning hyperglycemia at around 2 to 3 am with no hypoglycemia at night. The patient will experience high blood sugar level at morning due to low administration of insulin. Occurs when endogenous insulin secretion decreases. Prevention. Increasing insulin medication. Adjust timing to improve control. Somogy phenomenon. Somogy means so much insulin production. Early morning 3 to 4 am hypoglycemia due to excess administration of insulin at night. But again at morning around 6 to 7 am there will be hyperglycemia. In this the blood sugar level become low in early morning and increases in morning. In dawn phenomenon, we have seen that from normal blood sugar level it is rising. But in Somogy phenomenon, it is coming to low blood sugar level to high, hypoglycemic level to hyperglycemic. It occurs due to excessive amount of exogenous insulin. Prevention. Decreasing insulin medication. Adjust timing to prevent hypoglycemia. Other complications of insulin therapy are local allergic reaction, redness, swelling, tenderness, induration, or 2 to 4 centimeter wheal may appear at the site of insulin administration. Systemic allergic reaction, which means generalized body rashes. Points to remember. Check blood sugar level before administration of insulin. Do not use the same needle for more than one. Give insulin in correct amount. Check blood sugar level at midnight to identify either its dawn phenomenon or Somogyi effect. Educate patient about insulin administration. Teach the patient to carry candy if patient has recurrent hypoglycemic experiences. Thank you.